So how do you fix Facebook Messenger's video and voice call problem? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can fix if Messenger has video and voice call problems. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you need to do is to just go ahead and then open the Messenger app, let's say, and you're not being able to place a video call, you're not being able to place a voice call. It could be happening due to only one specific reason, and that is because you have turned off access for both your microphone and your camera to be used by the Messenger app. When you turn off the access for microphone and your camera application, Messenger app will not be able to use a camera and a microphone, and as a result will not be able to place video calls. So what we have to do is we have to manage the permission, and in order to do that we will go ahead and launch the settings application. Once you launch the settings app, you have to scroll down and then look for the option called apps and then tap on that one. Once you tap on the apps option over here, you'll find the option that says Messenger. So just go ahead and look for the Messenger option, and once you look for the Messenger option, here you'll find the button that says permissions. So you have to look for the option called permissions at the very top. And as you can see allowed and not allowed. Under allowed we only have allowed notifications, under not allowed we haven't allowed any of the permissions. So first things first, we'll go ahead and tap on the camera, we will allow the permissions and then come back. Then we will go to location. You might want to allow this, but I personally like to leave it off. Then you can go to microphone, which is the main essence of a video call, so you have to go ahead and turn this thing on as well. After you do that, you can also turn on contacts, so just go ahead and allow the contacts access, and then it will be removed, and then you'll be able to go ahead and place video calls. Now then you can come back to the Messenger app and then place a call as you like. And that's all it takes to fix video and voice call problem on Facebook Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.